Okay, welcome back. It is day 149, I believe, or 8. I think it's 9 of coding every day. Um, so today I did a little bit of work on computer architecture. Um, I worked on the fetch stage. Um, so this was one of the only kind of critiques I got at the last presentation for our computer architecture presentation, and it was I didn't have any delay on fetching from memory on the fetch stage. So when we go to the memory access stage of the pipeline to if I need to fetch from DRAM or cache for any data or instruction, and that's what I should have. I don't know why I didn't do it, to be honest, but it's like that has a delay to it, right? So if I have something in DRAM, right? And let's say I had a 4 clock cycle delay, which it doesn't apply to actual like hardware. It's just in our simulation we put a manual delay just to simulate that DRAM takes longer than cache, right? Um, so so I had that working for memory access, right? If we were accessing DRAM, it would take 4 cycles or whatever you set it to, because we have a custom configuration on our UI. Whatever you set it to, it would take that long. So I just worked on setting a few more states to kind of differentiate between memory access and fetch. So if it's fetch, I actually haven't tested it yet. The code should be pretty sound though. I was thinking about it today, and it's literally just in my fetch stage of fetch, the actual file for fetch where we go to already, instead of just directly just reading from memory, getting the info and sending it back to our API, it checks if this state of memory access in fetch is true, which it would be set to true on any first fetch. So in the global state, sets that whatever, and then we have a counter that goes down by whatever the global counter is. Um, and then when that's done, it'll be fetched. But it should hold the whole pipeline. So I might have to. I think I might have been fine for what I did. I did only like one line change in pipeline. Excuse me. But um, I might have to change some more code in pipeline. So I'll test it after this. But the reason why I ended and didn't test it in my actual video is because I was Star Wars Episode 3 like in theaters because it came back this weekend, and it came out when I was born basically, so I never saw it in theaters. So I'm gonna probably still do that tonight. I think there's one last showing at like 10, but I got caught up like doing this and it's pouring out, so I was like, I'll refund and go to the next one or go tomorrow night. I haven't decided, but back on topic. Yeah, that's all I did. So the only stuff left for computer architecture is testing to make sure I can do a matrix multiplication, and I'm making sure this works as well, the fetch delay. But making sure that I can do a matrix multiplication, a sorting algorithm, and should be it. Everything else should just be extra after that, which is nice. So yeah, I'll focus. I think I'm going to meet up with my partner tomorrow to work on that, and then that's about it for that. And then the next 3 weeks will be heavily oriented towards linear algebra studying, which will just be my personal time throughout the week, and then computer system principles, which I might, I should do stuff on this for videos here, I guess, but yeah. Oh yeah, that project is due in 3 days. That's probably what we'll be working on the next 3 days. Uh, so yeah, that is all I have. I will see you tomorrow for day 150, if this is day 149. So yeah, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.